The technological developments are expected to bring increased efficiency. People are commonly using net banking and various transaction applications. Checkbook will become obsolete. Email ID and phone numbers are becoming more important than a signature of a person. Chances of rejection become almost nil in a digital transaction. This time technology had solved our many problems, and e-meeting are not mere fashion statements. These virtual assistants can't make an emotional connection with the end user, as it's one-way traffic only. The government and the regulator are supporting the adoption of technology for long, but this COVID-19 had made it a necessity of life. The technological developments are expected to bring increased efficiency and a customer delight factor amongst our investors while increasing the efficiency. These will, I believe, turn to be a blessing in disguise for us, the AMC and distributor, in making us move towards being more customer-centric industry. Transactions have moved digital in wake of pandemic, and most importantly, a new set of clients joined a digital carnival, and people are commonly using net banking and various transaction applications. We are not visiting bank branch for self-withdrawal or passbook update, as everything is at our fingertips, and the way we are going, checkbook will become obsolete. Email ID and phone numbers are becoming more important than a signature of a person. Technology is becoming lifeline for us and will play key role in increasing the penetration of this new customer segment. Now for lump sum purchase and SIP, we are generating link and clients are authorizing it through net banking, UPI and NACH. For redemption, switch, STP or even for stopping SIP or SIP pause, OTP had become common tool. The investor have now got better and quicker access to information, convenience to invest. Chances of rejection become almost nil in a digital transaction. For client awareness and education purpose, I had already done few videos which you can watch, as the next step would be to educate client about the convenience of using digital medium and helping them experience it through social media and target marketing. Digital disruption had made its way to mutual fund industry. Our registrar, CAMS, Karvy, channel partner portals like BSC, NSC and MFU have their own features. Most mutual funds have their own DIT portal as ready to take financial and non-financial transactions smoothly. This time technology had solved our many problems, and e-meeting are not mere fashion statements. Online education, training are also looking for huge market in future. Work from home will bring more employment, especially for ladies, and it will be permanent in nature. The future is in smartphones and tablets, as many have turned to mobiles ahead of computers in terms of digital adoption. In fact, with internet connectivity improving in B30 towns, usage of digital interfaces has improved significantly. Finally, I am in not favor of artificial intelligence, robot-like tools, as they do not bring relationship into transaction. These virtual assistants can't make an emotional connection with the end user, as it's one-way traffic only. In spite of digital transaction, we should not stick to our system, and personal meetings and relationship will play important role, which can't be denied any day.